Real, raw, unfiltered.
What do you do, familiar? What do you do, familiar? It's your boy Tati PNG. We are back at it again. We get another man. We are obviously not in Florida. We're obviously not in the U.S., but I mean, I guess it's a U.S. territory. We're currently in Puerto Rico, you guys. We are here with Tati. You guys liked the last video that we did? We did the shoe video with it coming out the back of the trunk. He was like, oh my gosh, you guys are doing so much fire content. So we had to double up, we had to run it back. And now we are in Puerto Rico, you guys. So I thought, why not do another one of those videos where we talk about the ND filter and also talk about how shooting in natural light, you can really do it with any form of gear, right? So I'm gonna be shooting at f2.8 today. I'm gonna tell you guys my settings off the rip before I hop into it. Today we're gonna be kind of focusing on a little bit of posing, a little bit of settings, a little bit of like, vibes overall. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go to 100 on my ISO. I'm gonna go to f2.8 and I'm gonna go 250 on my shutter. And then I'm gonna just only move the ND filter as needed as I continue to move around. I may go up on my ISO at some points, depending on how it looks overall, but I'll let you guys know and I'll try to be vocal because you guys hate when I don't talk to y'all, so I'm gonna try. All right, but also while I'm shooting, I'm gonna try my best to look through my viewfinder because a lot of the times I only use my LCD screen and my LCD screen be lying because when you're shooting in harsh light and the harsh light is mixing with that ND filter, but also your screen, you can't see shit. It's like when you have your phone out and you're trying to look at your phone, trying to check Instagram, and you're like, damn, my brightness all the way up? Your brightness is all the way up, but it's because it's harsh light outside. So let's go ahead and get into it. I see this tree right here. I really want to do the intro right here because I saw this tree, so I saw a little vibe of the tree. I don't really know what I think, but I kind of see one of these vibes, like something like this maybe. I don't know, but you got to try it out and see. Maybe it's that. Maybe it's like your body on the side. I don't freaking know. I just feel like maybe you just put your body here, you put an arm here, and maybe you lean into it, and then like you look off or something like that. Let's see how that feels. I know. I forgot. My back extends. Nah, it got to be that way. Yeah. Yeah. And then maybe it's like, yeah, but like turn your body towards me like that. Yeah, just like that. And then maybe you have your hand here. There you go, just like that. Yep, hold 3, 2, 1. Oh, yep, cute. Hold 3, 2, 1. I had to go up my ISO, you guys. Oh, my shutter actually went up too high. My ISO, I'm gonna go to 800 on my ISO. For real? Like bad? Like the ones that bite?
I don't know, but.
Let's get a shot real quick. Hold on, let me see. If they're the ones that bite, let me know and just say ow or something. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there you go. 3, 2, 1. Look up back behind you. Yep, and 1. Ant on my Yeah, let's move. Let's move. Come on. Dig your feet, bro. There's ants on my camera right now. I have no idea, but there's ants on my camera. All right, is it better over here? This type of sand does look like a big ass ant pile. I'm not gonna lie. Like just the color of sand looks like a big ant pile. So okay, maybe is it this? Maybe we try. Nope. Let's keep moving. Come on. I'm gonna go right over here with all of these trees right here. I feel like this is a vibe right here. I see all the, you know what I'm saying? Real color vibes, you know what I'm saying? I gotta match it. We're gonna see. We're gonna see how we feeling right now. Don't shit on me. All right, let's see. Okay. I mean, I feel like you would have felt if they.
No, I just felt them crawling.
Bro, I feel like you would have felt if they bit you. All right, so I'm thinking, okay, back same vibe, like how you were again. Wait, maybe this could get like removed from the scenery. Maybe this could like, move away and shit. There you go. So maybe it's your back against here, and it's like here, ooh, and right? Give me one of these. You can do that right there. Yeah, this feels kind of good. I ain't gonna lie. I feel like a real good pose right here. I feel like I need a photo. I feel like I need a picture. All right, go ahead. Separate your back from it. So don't lay, put your butt on it. So it's butt and upper back. And then try to push your stomach forward. There you go, just like that, yep. And then put that hand up, other hand. Yeah, just like that. And then like hold onto the tree. Like that, like that. Yeah, that's cute. All right, there you go, hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Hold on, wait, maybe bend. Yeah. There you go, yeah, hold. You want it? Oh, okay. All right, ready? Same thing again. Back and yep, just like that. Yeah, just like that. And have that hand there, just like that. And pushing away. Yep, just like that. There you go. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Remember to use your viewfinder, you guys, because sometimes everything else be lying. There you go. 3, 2, 1. Yep, 3, 2, 1. Look off that way. Yep, hold 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, 1. And 1. Put that hand, instead of having it so like bent, maybe put it higher. Like maybe like you're touching a tree or something like that. Yeah, like that. And tilt your head a little bit. There you go, like that. And look right here, hold it, 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, 1. One more, yep, hold 3, 2, and 1. There you go, that's cute. Now let's go deeper in, and we're gonna shoot back this way because of the sun. So when I'm looking for the sun, I'm chasing the sun, trying to find that lighting. What I mainly do is, I'll put my hand up, I'll see where the light is hitting. I know the direction that the light is hitting, so I know that if I'm in the shade, if I'm shooting the direction that I saw the light hitting on my hand, I will get good lighting. I was shooting away from the direction. So if I turn my hand here, the hand's dark. I'm shooting this way against the light. Even though I am in the shade, she'll still be a little bit light, but she'll be a lot less brighter as she could be if I was shooting the same direction as the sun. So we're gonna move forward this way, and we're gonna shoot back this way to get those shots that we need, so that way she is in the sun. Cause, you know, sun plus melanin make you pop, you know what I'm saying? So we'll probably go back over here and then shoot this way so we see all of these trees in here. So we can shoot this way. It's like we're chasing the sun, but it's kind of sometimes what you have to do, especially when you're shooting natural light, you're really chasing the sun damn near all the time. So when you have an ND filter and natural light, you want to, you know, control the sun as much as you can, whether it is with the reflector or whether it is with something of that sort, to be able to, you know, really get the shots that you need overall when you're using natural light. So the sun is your uncontrollable, your sun is your uncontrollable factor, and that's the part that matters the most. Ooh, okay, right here. So we're in the shade again. We have another tree, a little bit better. Same vibe again, with you laying on it, right? This hand down at the base, a foot up, and another hand up just like that. And you're gonna look off this way, and I'm gonna shoot from this way to you. So it should be nicely lit. This is the same direction as the sun, so I know that this is an evenly lit photo. I know that the video looks even better than it did back there. Why? Because of the direction that I am with the sun. Switch it up. Yeah, girl. There we go. Yeah, this tree's like more down.
Yeah.
Put your foot down a little bit. Yeah, just like that, yeah. So the reason why I had her put her foot down a little bit, because when she had it up, it was up a little bit too high. So I had it a little bit more down, so that way it adds like a better triangle, if that makes sense. This is like too direct of a triangle. So I try to just help it out a little bit. Like that, and then embrace the tree. Yep, just like that. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, there you go, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it, hold it, hold it. ISO is 800, 250 on my shutter, you guys. Yeah, that's cute. Hold it, 3, 2, and 1. Yep, 3, 2, and 1. Look out towards the water. And 1. Put both hands up behind your hair, behind your head. Actually, get up real quick and split your hair to both sides to make it like even. There you go. And then put a little bit, yep. And now lay back on there. And then put your hands up. Just like that. Yep, just like that. And now put your hands up. Yeah, like that. Maybe like behind your head. And I'll put these like in between your armpits. Just like that. There you go. So maybe it's like bracing your head.
Like,
Yeah, just like that, just like that, just like that. Yeah, like that. Maybe like add like a little, yeah, touch it. There you go. All right, let me see. Yep, hold. 3, 2, and 1. Guys, it's really hard because you got to look in your viewfinder. If you don't, you're gonna get lied to. Yep, 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. And look off that way a little bit. Yep, 3, 2, 1. Yep. Yeah, so you got found like the perfect settings. 3, 2, and 1. It's like every few shots. There you go. Now take that hand and come like here, left hand, like to your belly. Yeah, just like that, just like that. Don't touch the tree, touch your head. Yep, there you go, like that. And look off this way. Yep. And 1. All right, don't move yet. I'm gonna go back. Oh, actually, go back. I take a video. Yeah, it's cute. Look off that way. Now look off the other way. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna do one more again. And I'm gonna have you stand up real quick. And you're gonna put your hand, so you're gonna put your arm like this. And you're gonna be like this, like that right there. All right. Don't just like rub your belly like you hungry, but like, you know, like rub this side, like, you know what I'm saying? I said don't rub your belly like you're hungry, but like, you know, rub your side a little bit. There you go. So wrist. So like maybe like forearm is there. Yeah, just like that, just like that, just like that, just like that, just like that. Yeah, like that, like that. There you go. Hold 3, 2, and 1. And look off that way. Yeah, there we go. Hold it. Yep, 3, 2, and 1. And look at me. Okay, now don't move. Take some photos. Hold it up, 3, 2, and 1. Hold it up, 3, 2, and 1. Yeah. Oh, this is really cute. Woo, this is really cute. Hold it. Yes. Look that way. And 1. That was really cute. Oh, come like. Go back one more time, and like have your hand. So go on the other side of the tree real quick, so you can see me. So you see how I look. So your hand's gonna be like here, right, like that, and you're gonna be like here, looking like there. All right, so like it's gonna be like nail, face, no arm can be seen for real. Boom, and then bring your like head right here. Yeah, and then come in, and then bring your feet over so you can lean into it. Yeah, and you're gonna look at me like here. Yeah, bring your like hand up more. Right there. Yep, just like that. Yeah, that's cute. And then release. There you go. Just like that. You don't look crazy. It looks good. All right. There you go, like that. Perfect. There you go. Oh, maybe the other hand here. There you go. Yep. Hold. 3, 2, and 1. Oh, that's so cute. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Bro, come on, bro. Lock in, man. There you go. Yes, there you go. And 1. Leave that hand there. Take that hand and like maybe like you like going through your hair. Yeah, like that. Like And like look off. Yep. And 1. And oh, give me eye contact right here. Bro, come on, lock in, bro. I know I'm in a weird ass pose, bro. You gotta lock in. Like, come on, like, you know.
It's the split.
Bro, I'm not trying to like, bro. I be forgetting how crazy I be looking in front of y'all, bro. I be like, I don't even be worried about it no more. There you go, hold 3, 2, 1. And 1. All right, bet. So now what I want you to do is, let me see, because I got an idea. I'm trying to see what my idea is. Ooh, like maybe you stand in between the rocks. Like don't stand on them, so that way you don't die, you know what I'm saying? Or you stand in between them. And a little bit more. Don't stand on them. There, because I want to see like, and then maybe it's like a this, and like you're like playing with your hair. But you gotta pop one of the legs though. Yeah. Pop that leg, and then like you're playing with your hair, and you're like looking off, like I'm in Puerto Rico. Throw the hair back.
Back forward?
No, back. I want to see like, you know, but you got 2 strands that are still there. You got 1 there. There you go. Yes, we in Puerto Rico. Up her. There you go. All right, and then pop the knee, and then look off towards that way. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Yes, there you go. Yep. Hold it. And 1. Now do both hands like kind of like behind your head and looking at me. So like instead of like gripping your head, be like maybe it's like this. Yeah. And like drop them. There you go, like that. Grip more like of your, yeah, there you go, yep, there you go, yep, hold this one. Yep, I got a cruise boat in your background too. Yeah, there you go, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Look out that way. Hold it, yep. Don't move. Use your viewfinder, you guys, as much as you can, and then use the screen. And 1. Bet, I'm gonna have you walk along this way, but don't die. But when you're gonna walk, you're gonna like just like that. Some shit.
This way?
You're gonna walk this way. Walk towards it. Not yet. Hold on. But still walk a little bit closer to the beach line, so I can get like this whole background. I'm gonna try to like lock it in from where I want it at. Ooh, the water keep hitting me, bro. All right, you're gonna walk to me. Ready? I'm gonna tell you when. 3. So you're like this. Maybe it's like some to your hair a little bit, things like that. But walk in a straight line so that way your hips pop out. Stop looking around. Like look at me. Like look at me. No, look at me though. All right, ready? Hold on. Wait till the human being. All right, ready? 3, 2, and 1. Yeah, there you go. Do it again, bro. You got it. Yeah, because you're like you're on a slope. You're gonna slope. You gotta lock in. All right, ready? 3, 2, and 1. Yes, there you go. Yep, that's cute. Ooh, do it again and leave your hands up the whole time. So like put your hands like here to your neck, and maybe like your hands like here the whole time. Try one of those. So put your hands so we can see how they look first. You're just like that. You're just like walking. You're like looking off, looking at me. All right, ready? Hold it. Don't move. All right, ready? 3, 2, and 1. I'm at that 80 millimeter. Here we go. 70 millimeter. I meant, not 80. There you go. Yep, cute. Look off. Look at the water. Ooh, yeah, bet. All right, one more time. It's gonna be a video. You're doing good for somebody who doesn't like to be in public. I said you're doing good for someone who doesn't like to be in public. Yeah, I'm proud. Oh, okay. I was say, I'm proud. I see growth. I'm gonna take a video and you're gonna walk toward me again. Nah, you just filling up. All right, ready? Hold on, I'm gonna tell you when. 3, 2, and 1. Keep going and looking off that way. There you go, yep, and 1. Bet. Now stand in the water and I'm gonna have you like do little detail stuff. Right after that little cliff, that bit really dropped, for real. Right there. So maybe like your hands here and the hands on your chest a little bit. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, just like that. And you're gonna look from that side to that side. All right. Or actually, look that way. You're gonna look from that way to that way. All right, cool. So put your hand back. There you go. Hold it. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. Look over the other way. There you go. Yep. All right. Hold it. Don't move. I'm take a few photos. Look right here at me. Yep. And 1. Yeah. Woo. Let's walk to the shade so you can check these out. One thing I can say about natural light, bro, is you're battling with the sun 24/7, bro. I don't care. I mean, depending on the time of day, it can change, of course. But when you're playing around with harsh light, there's only so much that you can really do, especially even when using an ND filter. So ND filters really help out a lot, and I've been pushing that really heavily for you guys lately. That the ND filter will literally change everything for you, bro. It makes the shooting process so much easier and so much better because you can lock in those settings, you can dial them in. You don't have to even change those settings at all, right? So your ND filter settings literally can just stay the same. Well, not ND filter, but the actual settings of your camera can stay the same. The only thing you have to change is your ND filter slide. What you saw? You saw something? See a shot, take a shot. What you saw?
I was just looking in there.
Oh, I'm just saying. See a shot, take a shot. I thought you saw something. See a shot, take a shot. That one's fire. I ain't gonna lie. This picture right here is so tough, bro. This picture right here is like so tough, bro. Like that bitch so. There we go. But yeah.
Bro, the water's so clear. So
Yeah.
cute.
It's like I think the water alone tells us that we're not in Florida.
Yeah. No, because that water is disgusting.
With a little bit of in the back. Okay. Little island vibes, like really at an island for real.
Oh, those are cute.
I'll just remove the humans, but yeah.
Cute.
And then you still got Moa.
This man. Ooh, I like those.
Oh yeah, he was a little aggy.
That's why I was looking at him like that.
These are cute though. Oh, that little boat. That's a boat. It looks like a
It looks like a wave.
It looks like a wave, but it's a boat.
Yeah. She was cute though.
There you have you guys, man. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys so much. Let me know down below what other concepts you guys have for me and Tati. We've done everything out of the box. As you guys saw on the channel, bro, literally out of the box. The last one we had hella shoe boxes, and then we're taking the shoes out of the box. So we can continue to go outside of the box. I love you guys so much. I'll leave the link down below to all the gear that I used today, and I'll also leave a link down below to the photos so you guys can go and view those and see them in their totality. Because all the photos that I show you guys on the picture are raw. All right. So a lot of you guys be like bullying me in the comments, like, oh, it's too cold for that environment, or it's not warm enough for that environment. Stop being a pixel peeper and get out and shoot. Okay. My Instagram is taxi.png. Go and view the final photos for yourself so that way you can see those before you come back and talk shit. I love you guys, love you guys, love you guys. Until next time.
Taxi.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back. I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.